I'm going to go over the steps to install an LED ceiling fixture. This one's from Westgate. It uses 20 watts to produce 1400 lumens of light. Always turn off the power to any circuit you're working on. A shock under the right conditions can be deadly. In the Chicagoland area where I'm installing this light, we have metal boxes connected to conduit, so there's not a ground wire. The metal box is connected through conduit all the way back to the service panel, which is our ground path. To put in a ground wire, I'm going to use a grounding whip, a ground wire with a screw connected to it, and I'm going to screw this into one of the holes in the metal box so I have a ground wire. With this Westgate fixture, you have a black wire for hot, a white wire for neutral, and a yellow wire with a green stripe for ground. Because we're in an area that uses conduit, the hot wire can be any color except white or green. In this case, we have a yellow wire for hot, a white wire for neutral, and we added our green ground wire. If you have non-metallic cable in an electrical box, black is generally going to be your hot, but you could have black or red. White will be your neutral, and you're going to have a bare ground wire. Using wire connectors, connect your black to the hot, your white to the neutral, and this yellow with the green stripe to your ground. With the Westgate ceiling fixture, you have a couple of different groups of slots to connect directly to the electrical box, or you can connect it with screws and anchors to the outside of the base. Now I'll connect my wires and I'll push it over the screws in the box. Once it's attached to the screws, now you just tighten them up. Now you can turn on the electric and test the light.